Hello, my dear lovely friends, my beautiful viewers, and my beautiful subscribers. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. I'm Creation. Dear friends, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing great. May Allah keep you happy, keep laughing, keep smiling in the same way. Ameen. Dear friends, this video will be very helpful for you. And today I am showing a all-high trendy and gorgeous collection of most beautiful, most stylish, most demanding crochet, net-less, cotton top, summer top and blouse designs. Dear friends, I must suggest to you watch this video till the end. You will find all trendy ideas in our videos. So you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So dear friends, after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos. And you will never miss my video and any collection of my channel. So if you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section.